Yes, we need people research 24/7. Well, you are thoughtful with us.
It isn't usually like this.
No.
Hey, what's up?
Which one?
That's okay.
Number two.
What's definitely happening? Right there. Okay, I know. Work. Last time.
What's up, y'all? I'm out of work already. I'm out of work, like I said. I done a graveyard shift. I just got home. I need to go to bed. This is my Friday. I should be asleep right now, but I want to get into Forget that. I'll go to sleep after this. We'll go to bed after this. Right now, I want to play with my helicopters. And ooh, 3 choppers, 1 controller. Watch this. 3 of these with 1 controller. Watch how I do. Watch how I do. And then I gotta go to bed. But there's no work tonight. It's the weekend. Let's get it. Did I turn this one on? Hold on, y'all. I'm all acting all kind of goofy and stuff. Y'all ready? All right, let's go. 3 chops, 1 controller. Oh, shit. Mayday. Oh, man. Okay, just a couple more. Okay, we're going to keep going, though. We're going to keep on flying. Because my day off started now. Shoot. I'm going to go to sleep in a little bit. I've been up all night. All night long. All night. 3, 2, 1. 3 chops, 1 controller. Once again, let's go. Whoa, homie hit the floor. 2 is cool though. I could do 2 without a problem. I'm gonna try to lift this one off right now. I let him go. Now we got a little distance. That's kind of cool now. Look, distance in between them. See? Ah, get away from him. Oh, get away from him. Oh, snap. This ain't no joke, y'all. Come on, man. Why you hit him like that? That was messed up. Whoa. I can't believe he came up on him like that. But it's my Friday. Yeah. That's what I should do. I figured something out, y'all. I think, nah, who cares? Let's get in there. Come on, let's go. 3 chops, 1 controller, round 3. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Uh-oh. We can't do that no more. And luckily it flew. I got the piece right here. Yeah. We not doing that no more. I don't know. Oh, it was his piece.
What do you do?
Yep, that's what happened to Chop Suey. The counterweight flew off. But I got it right here. Guys. I need to stop that. I'm not going to do that right now no more. That's reckless. I'm acting reckless on my day off. My beginning of my day off. Sorry about that, y'all. Oh, man. Hold on. I felt bad for him. Which one is this? Oh, this Chop Susie. I'm sorry, girl. Heard her.
What?
Yep. That sure did. Oh man.
Nah, not suicidal.
Alright, I see what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to do to Chop Susie what I did to Chop Uzi. Chop Susie. Chop Suey, Chop Suey. I'm gonna have to put a little tapey tape and fix the counterweight on her. Yeah. And y'all see he was doing good. He probably the one who knocked her out the earth with his new skills. Yeah. Yeah. Then let me pick up Chop Uzi. Chop Uzi, he cool. He be handling battlefield air in the air battle. Oh well. She need to go to the shop. Dang, baby. Look it. See that end? This the broken end. And then there's the good one. Hold on. Yeah. Good. Broken. I gotta fix it. I'm gonna fix it though. I need to go to bed. Y'all I wake up at 11 o'clock at night last night. And I've been at work all night. So I know my mind needs to rest. I don't want to go to bed though, but this sucker need to lay down for a minute and so he can recharge. I feel like I'm ready just to stay up for the rest of the day, but no. I want to stay up. But I'm gonna go ahead and do what I should do. Just take a nap. I gotta go pick the kids up too at 2 o'clock, 2 something. Man, I can't believe I busted her up like that. I need to make sure I don't lose her peace. I'm sorry, girl. Yeah, yo. Yeah, I'm gonna take her to the shop. I'm gonna do her right too. I'm gonna take care of her. She didn't deserve that. But it's all part of the Air Games. Air Games, baby. That's what it is, Air Games. Where does this go to? I got so much stuff charging. Yo, let me go to bed, Kay. I need to go to bed, man. I'm sorry. But like I said, I've been up all night long. And I need a rest so we can play in the earth. We try to stay up all night and play with my earth stuff. So I'll check y'all out, Kay. Peace out. Have a good, blessed day.